So if you are a fresher and want to come into the field of data analytics, or if you are experienced and want to switch your domain to data analytics, so make sure to subscribe this channel because here we do not bring only job notification but also upgrade your skills. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So today we have two data analyst intern opportunity. One is coming from the VCooperator and second is coming from another MNC company, and these both the notifications have a very much similar criteria. So if you are a fresher and recently graduate, you all will be eligible for this. So make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel so that you can get latest notification as soon as possible. So starting with the job profile, so as a data analyst intern you will be assisting the development analyst that will be creating GIS map for the development team, and that will be used for the competitive real estate business. So Boda Copper is basically a real estate company. It is established in 1990s. So as per as recent record, the portfolio and the revenue of company is around 1.5 billion, and they had around 350 properties and 16,000 units across 16 states. So as a data analyst intern, you must have a knowledge or at least some experience regarding Excel, Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you have certification or at least some experience or knowledge, so you can apply for here. Now coming to the roles and responsibilities, that means after selection what will be you going to perform. So here you have to analyze affordable housing document from various municipalities, states and other public or private sources. You have to gather the data from publicly available sources and scraping data. You have to create usable maps with Mapbox software, including adding new features and designs. So basically, this role is more of assistant to the development analyst. Here you will be involved in various documentation work for various municipalities, states within the country. So as I have told you earlier, Excel, Python, CSS, JavaScript, these are the major skills that they are desiring of. And one must be detail oriented with a strong time management skills and critical thinking. So I have mentioned the link in the description box, you can check that. And if you have any kind of question or doubts, you can mail to them also. So our next data analyst internship is coming from the Biotechnic company. So Biotechnic is basically a pharmaceutical company with a powerful and positive purpose of enabling cutting-edge research in life science, clinical diagnostic, other research-oriented treatments. So if you are interested in working with the pharmaceutical company, you can apply here. And one more thing I want to add up, this is the internship opportunity, but if you are working well, they can also hire you full time. So coming to the pay scale for the internship, so you will be getting $24 per hour. So some brief description about the internship opportunities. So all internship positions are designed to give college student an opportunity to apply techniques learned in the academic setting while obtaining new skills. So this is a paid internship offering full-time, and please note that no relocation assistant is going to provide for the internship program. Now coming to the roles and responsibility for this profile, so you will be working with the business partner to understand their data needs and translate them into the actionable insight and solutions. You have to work across various global time zones. You have to identify and implement process for improvement and best practice for improvement data quality, accuracy and reliability. You will be assisting with the implementation of improving ERM and MRP systems. You have to communicate with the other department within the organization so that you can identify the effective issues, develop solutions and implement the changes. You have to collaborate with the cross-functional teams to identify areas of improvement in the supply chain and develop data-driven solutions to optimize process and drive efficiency. You have to develop and implement models and algorithms to forecast demands, inventory levels, transportation requirements. Here you will be creating data visualization and report to communicate insights and recommendation to the stakeholders across organization. So in brief, you will be collaborating with the cross-functional team and taking their inputs, data sources and design reports and dashboards for the business. Now coming to the experience and qualification for this particular opportunity. So one must had done their bachelor's degree in supply chain management, logistics, business management, data analytics, and other relevant field. One must be currently enrolled in the student pursuing a graduate level. So if you are not graduate and if you are pursuing the graduation, you can also go for it. And must be able to work full time during the duration of internship program. Now, apart from the compensation, what other facilities the company is providing you? So they are providing you competitive salaries along with the medical, vision, dental plans. So they also provide you stocks and other benefits. So these all the benefits they have mentioned. You can pause the video and get it from there. So all the link I have mentioned in the description, you can check that and you can apply accordingly. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment your suggestions and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.